Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So already in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the phone app notifications in this device. So in the lock screen you can see the notification, one phone app notification you can see here. You get one missed call from this number. You can see this contact. You can see, right? So let me show you how to disable this one. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on notifications. Then from the list of applications, select the application phones. Then here you can see the option allow notification. Just turn off this one. Then again go to the lock screen. If you swipe up, you can see the phone app notification is not there. Only the message notifications you can see here. Okay. So simply in this way you can enable or disable the phone app notification on the lock screen in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.